Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
This drone might look a little unusual at first, and that's because it's the unique DJI Avata 360. When you take a closer look, you'll notice something interesting. There's a lens on the top and another on the bottom. That's because this drone is equipped with a panoramic camera system. However, when the drone is sitting flat on a surface, you'll only see one of those lenses. The second one is cleverly hidden inside the gimbal structure. Once the drone lifts off, the gimbal rotates and unfolds, revealing the lower camera. This design helps protect the lens from scratches while the drone is on the ground. Another advantage of this setup is that the drone itself can stay thinner compared to designs that have fixed lenses on both the top and bottom. That slimmer build makes it easier to store and carry around. In terms of its overall design, it still resembles the familiar look of the Avata series. The four lenses are surrounded by a protective cover, which helps improve durability. If the drone lightly bumps into branches or walls, the lenses are less likely to get damaged. It also adds an extra layer of safety for people nearby, since there are no exposed lenses that could cause scratches. The footage you just watched actually comes from a single flight. The different angles, movements, and compositions were all created afterward during editing by recropping the same panoramic footage. And that's really the most impressive part about panoramic drones. When you're flying, your main task is simply getting the drone into the air and capturing the space around it. Later on, you can go back and reshape the footage from multiple viewpoints. This approach opens up a huge amount of creative freedom. So the question is, are panoramic drones just the next step in a product lineup? Personally, I don't think so. Completely change the way aerial footage is captured. Instead of recording a flat scene, you're capturing an entire space. That shift makes aerial creativity much more accessible and lowers the barrier for creators who want to experiment with new perspectives. So what do you think? Would you like to try flying a panoramic drone like this? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and stay tuned for our upcoming full review video because this was just the first impression.